In about 4 billion years, the night sky will transform, not with fireworks, but with the ultimate celestial collision. The Milky Way, our galactic home, is on a cosmic crash course with its giant neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Right now, Andromeda is hurtling toward us at nearly 110 kilometers per second. That's over 390,000 kilometers per hour. Why? Because of gravity. It's pulling the two galaxies together in a dance that began billions of years ago. But don't worry, this is no Michael Bay-style explosion. Galaxies are mostly empty space. When they collide, most stars simply pass by each other. So, will Earth survive? Our sun will still exist, but Earth may not be so lucky. The solar system could be flung into a different part of the galaxy, or even ejected into intergalactic space. But by then, the sun will be a red giant, and Earth, likely uninhabitable. The final result? A brand new galaxy. Scientists call it Milkdromeda, a massive elliptical galaxy born from chaos and shaped by time. This future isn't science fiction. It's science fact, backed by observations from Hubble and simulations by astrophysicists. So, next time you look up at the stars, remember, the universe is always in motion. And one day, the sky we know will become a cosmic battlefield. This is Galactic Showdown, and the future of the Milky Way will never be the same.